Choosing the right CAD software is crucial for any design professional. The software you choose can impact your productivity, efficiency, and ultimately, your success. Two popular options dominate the market: ZWCAD and AutoCAD. Both offer powerful tools for two-dimensional drafting, three-dimensional modeling, and design. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses is essential for making an informed decision. This essay will delve into the features, pricing, and overall value proposition of ZWCAD and AutoCAD. By comparing these industry giants, we aim to equip you with the knowledge to choose the best CAD software for your specific needs. ZWCAD, developed by ZWSoft, is a powerful yet affordable CAD software solution. It has gained significant traction as a viable alternative to AutoCAD. ZWCAD boasts a familiar interface and comprehensive features. This makes it easy for users to transition from other CAD platforms. ZWCAD excels in two-dimensional drafting, offering a robust set of tools for creating precise and detailed technical drawings. It also provides tools for three-dimensional modeling, although its capabilities in this area are not as extensive as AutoCAD's. ZWCAD's pricing is very competitive. It follows a perpetual licensing model, meaning you pay once for a lifetime license. Autodesk's AutoCAD is the undisputed king of CAD software. It has been the industry standard for decades. AutoCAD is renowned for its comprehensive features, unparalleled industry support, and vast user community. AutoCAD's strengths lie in its versatility and extensibility. It offers a vast array of tools for two-dimensional drafting, three-dimensional modeling, and design across various disciplines. AutoCAD's support for industry-specific file formats and plugins is unmatched. It integrates seamlessly with other Autodesk products, creating a powerful ecosystem for design professionals. Section 4. ZWCAD versus AutoCAD, a head-to-head comparison. Both ZWCAD and AutoCAD offer a comprehensive set of features for two-dimensional drafting. This includes tools for creating lines, arcs, circles, polygons, and text. Both software packages support layers, blocks, and external references. These are essential for efficient and organized drawing. When it comes to three-dimensional modeling, AutoCAD has a clear edge. It provides a wider range of modeling tools and supports more advanced modeling techniques. AutoCAD also offers superior rendering capabilities. This allows for the creation of photorealistic images of three-dimensional models. Section 5. Pricing and value: making the right investment. ZWCAD's pricing is one of its most significant advantages. Its perpetual licensing model means a one-time purchase provides a lifetime license. This can result in significant cost savings over time, especially for small businesses or individual users. AutoCAD, on the other hand, has transitioned to a subscription-based model. Users pay a monthly or annual fee to access the software. While this can be a significant expense, it does provide access to the latest updates and features. Section 6. Choosing your weapon: ZWCAD or AutoCAD. So, which CAD software is right for you? If you're on a tight budget or primarily work in two-dimensional drafting, ZWCAD is an excellent option. It provides a robust set of features at a fraction of the cost of AutoCAD. However, if you require advanced three-dimensional modeling, rendering, or industry-specific tools, AutoCAD is the better choice. Its comprehensive features and industry support justify the higher price tag for professional users. Ultimately, the best CAD software depends on your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise.